All right, so the other option that we said we could have, I'm going to change colors here, is if we have a rectangle. And we said that a quadrilateral is a rectangle if and only if it's a parallelogram. With 4 right angles. So I can draw it. I could draw any length and width I want. I just have to know that my opposite sides are parallel. And I have to have 4 right angles. So that just means all of my corners have to be right angles. So if you kind of look at this shape, we said a parallelogram can split off into 2 different ways, and it could be a rhombus or it could be a rectangle. And if we have something that's a parallelogram and it's a rhombus and it's a rectangle, we would come together and we said that would be a square. So the big thing to think about with a square is that it's a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a rectangle. So when we're drawing this image, we have to be careful because we have to make sure it follows all of those. So first, it's a parallelogram. So opposite sides have to be parallel. And 4 right sides, 4 right angles to be a rectangle. And 4 congruent sides to be a rhombus. So looking at this, we could have a quadrilateral. And if I'm thinking, okay, I want to classify something, if I know that it has 4 sides, I know that the opposite angles are the opposite sides are parallel, and I know it has 4 right angles, I could follow my family tree down and say, okay, that means it has to be a rectangle because it hits all of the pieces all the way down.